Ayako Early Head Start families, today we're going to be making sensory bags together. All you need for this activity is your sensory bag kit and some water. For this activity, let your toddler choose which items they want to put in their sensory bag, and this is a great opportunity for them to practice those fine motor skills. And then once they've chosen what they want to put in their bag, you can fill it up halfway with water, and we like to remove any excess air that might be in the bag. To make our sensory bags a little bit more exciting, we like to add food coloring and glitter to the water. And then once your sensory bag is full, just close it tight, and we like to tape off the top to prevent any spills or leaks. And then in the classroom, we like to tape our sensory bags down to a table or a window so they don't get lost in the classroom. And then once your sensory bag is nice and secure, just let your toddler explore as they wish. In the classroom, we also like to make sensory bags with hair gel, shaving cream, and baby oil and water mixed together. We hope you and your toddler enjoy this activity together, and as always, stay safe and stay healthy. Chew!